Welcome to Professionl again. Today we'll be looking at robotic line follower, and the version of Proteus we'll be using is Proteus 8.13. If you don't have this version, check in the description below. You will see a link to a video that will show you step by step on how to install Proteus 8.13. So we are going to start off our project today by just hitting on this open sample. From open sample, go to categories. If you go to category, if you scroll right down, you will see here visual designer for Arduino. Click on it, then come to this path, which is results. So these are the results. If you go right down, scroll right down, we can see here visual designer for Arduino Zumo line follower. Click on it, then you have to click on this button down here which says open. So you click on open. We'll give it some time. Boom, as we can see, it has opened. Okay, here is the schematic Arduino that is in Proteus 8, and then here is the Zumo. All right, and this is the IC and other components. All right, if we go to visual designer, click on it. Here is the flow chart. So this is a flow chart, no coding, just dragging and dropping. Now if you want to see how to program in just by dragging and dropping, just check in the description below or at the corner of this video here. This corner, you'll see a link to a video that will show you step by step and explained everything in details on how these programs came about. Okay, so if we go to the schematic capture and if we hit on the play button and give it some time, as we can see, boom, here is our robot line follower, and here is the track. Okay, so it's following smoothly, right? As we can see, it is sensing the line. The black line is the one it's sensing based on the program that is embedded in the robot. If you come to think of it, you say, oh, okay, this track looks nice and I want to make my own, I want to customize my own track. How can you get this track? You can get tracks for this for line follower online. You can get them, but if you want to make your own, let me show you how to do that. You just click on stop, go click on this Zumo, double click, and then if you can see here, it is where it says that obstacle map line follower, it is in PNG format. Okay, you can get them online. But let's say that you don't want to take online, you want to improvise in your own way. I'll show you a little trick that you can do, and you can do this by using PowerPoint. So with that, let us go straight into PowerPoint and see how you can design your own track for free. Here is the PowerPoint. So click on blank presentation. Okay, if you go down, just have to click on this new slide. Go to blank slide. So here is the slide that we'll be working on. All right, so and let me tell you, the version of PowerPoint that I'm using is 2019. It has this feature which is draw. If you don't have this version, just check in the description below. There is a link to a video that will show you step by step on how to install Microsoft Office 2019. It has cool features and you can download it and install it for free. Okay, without any activation, it will automatically activate on its own. All right, so if it has this feature, so this version is having this feature which is draw. If you click on this draw, we go to draw a track. So now let me draw the track that I would like to use. Okay, now here is the, we are done with the track. Let me click again on this draw so I can highlight this. It has been highlighted. So right click and then you go to format link. Okay, click on it. So this window will appear. So we want to increase the width of the line, so we keep on increasing. $18 will be better for us. Okay, so we have 18, and we know that the line is now black, right? Because the line follower will be sensing dark lines. Okay, good. So here it is, and we want to render this track in a PNG format. So you just have to hit onto this file. So you go to save as. So I'll be using let me save it in my desktop. Say, let's say obstacle. All right, so obstacle MP. So we click on this drop down. From the drop down you go to PNG right here, click on it, say save, and it will ask you all slides or just this one. Click on just this one. Okay, now it has been saved. It is now time for us to go into Proteus 8 and run on our track. So we click on this Zumo again, double click, then we go to this obstacle map, click on this file. From there we go straight to desktop, scroll right down. Here it is, obstacle map MP, click on it. Okay, then say okay. If we click on play, as we can see, it's running smoothly. Our track looks nice and the robot is happy with our track. That's nice. Now then you'll be wondering, I say, okay, if I've designed this in Proteus, how can I upload this into my Arduino board? Maybe you have set up a robot like this and you want it to work exactly the way this one is working, and you want to dump this code into your Arduino board. So how can you do that? Let us click on stop, go to Visual Designer. From Visual Designer, here is the code, and on this code, how can you upload it? Just like when you want to upload from Arduino IDE into Arduino board, it's exactly the same way. You just have to click on this icon up here which says upload. So you click on it and make sure that your Arduino board is connected to a serial port, and select that serial port, then upload. It will be uploaded and it will work exactly just like how you see it on Proteus 8. You have to provide your own track, physical track then. So that's how you go about in setting up a robotic line follower in Proteus 8. Thank you for watching this video.